turbo free after a couple of days of usage. Fingerprint sensor, everything is quick. How quick it really is, let me show you in the benchmark. This is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3S, which is a little bit less than the normal version, but not too much. Like 1,406,000, down almost 1.5 million points, and that's really good. And in the storage test, we do have tremendously good. That's a flagship quality storage. UFS 4.0, 1,700 for the read, 1,200, almost 1,300 for the write. That's amazing. But if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, I have another benchmark which will compare. Oh, first we need to do it. And the magic number is 1,900 to 4,900. If you want to compare the score to, it's basically Galaxy S23 Plus, a little bit above it. And the multi-score, 5,000 is, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. That's what it is. Those benchmark doesn't mean anything if you cannot game. Let's try a gaming on the maximum settings. All right, let's play that game. This guy is always inviting me, like, he's always in the game, every time. All right, let's play his game. He must be not doing anything but gaming, which is weird. All right, a little bit closer. That's the maximum settings. Do we have any glitches? Okay, take my standard weapon. It looks great to me. All right, we do have game mode. How can I go to the ultimate? Yeah, we do have AI ultimate thing. Look how smooth that is. Maximum settings. I don't like that map. It's not great for snipers, but maybe, I don't know. It is what it is. Oh, there's one of ours. No. Behind me. Behind me. Ooh. I mean, the gaming is smooth. Got him. I said it was not great for snipers. I don't know. Maybe. He's gone. I'm a bit chaotic, but you're dead. Whoops. He's gone. I got something for you. There you go. Ah, they got me. They got me. Good. All right. Let's continue. I'm a little bit hyped. Why? All right. Gotcha. That's my gun. I have a special weapon. Hit it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, behind me. Ah, they got me. Too many of them. Maybe if I switch weapon for something different, or maybe if I just... Alright. Did we won? Victorious! Awesome gaming experience. We need to test the temperature after a couple of minutes of gaming. 35 degrees Celsius, that's nothing. Time for a camera. And camera it is. We do have a Pro. And in the Pro, of course, you can change for the video or photo. 50 megapixel. Histogram, voice, regular. I made already a video, a camera walkthrough. So we're not going to spend too much time in here. I would rather show you some samples for photo and video. By the way, the wide angle is only Full HD, but the main lens is 4K 60. And front-facing camera 20 megapixels camera, also only in Full HD, but 60. Of course, photo, portrait, which is tracking me nicely more. Have a look of the separate video for the camera itself. Let me show you those samples. Cheese with nuts. We do have that huge flash. Flash off and flash on. Now, come on, it's so bright. Wow. That flash is amazing. That's the most powerful flashlight I've seen in a smartphone. Oh my, that's so dirty. And finally, a little bit of photos, because I don't think anyone cares about the video. I could be wrong, though. Now, a little bit of zoom for you. Look, that's pretty decent. And zoom. That's okay, I guess. Close-ups. Damn. I mean, there's $300. For $300 is amazing. Selfies. Okay, you can see this is from the smartphone. Now, of course, this is not the greatest camera in the world, but I think for social media, is it oversaturating? Yes, it is oversaturating a little bit, not too much. Look at that cheese. Macro photos are very nice. Okay, this is not the best camera in the world, but also not the worst. You have all the details. I will leave you with those pictures and come back in a second. Conclusion, what did we learn? And we learned that Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 is basically Snapdragon Gen 2. 8 Gen 2. Or not, because it's less power hungry and the battery life of the beautiful device is fantastic. 5000 mAh battery, 90 watt charging, beautiful screen, thin bezels. It looks expensive, but it isn't. Less than $300. Link in the description. That is amazing, decent camera for gamers. I think this is for gamers. If you like games, then for $300, there's nothing better in the market. Brand new. And if you buy second-hand, like last year flagship, then maybe not even that. I don't think you can get last year flagship for $300. I don't think so. So, this device is a flagship killer. In that price range, of course. And I think that's all I got. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. By the way, turbo is very accurate. This is a turbo device. Turbo! Turbo.